Yeah, of course.
No hurry, no hurry. Oh.
It's okay. It's not okay.
That's basically tofu.
Tofu.
Did you know that?
That's a main ingredient. It's
Did you know that?
No hurry.
That's how I feel.
Actually, I should say soybean.
cheese. What's in this beef, right?
Oh, like you
So I think
Yeah, you went to the office, right? She went to the office. Oh, never mind. Oh. So how's your friend fit us? Did you vegan food? Where's your vegan food?
you want to tell us about the food. It's delicious.
Wow, that's all you can say, Hannah.
Yes. Tell us what you're cooking.
What's it made of? What are you cooking?
I don't know what all this is, but this potato, broccoli, bok choy,
What's that? You say bak choy?
bok choy.
Bak choy.
What is bok choy? I don't know what the English is. It's just a type of vegetable. This is cucumber. This is fried tofu puff. And this is
Tofu again.
fish tofu. Yeah, we love that. A fish cake.
Fish
Kind
cake.
of the same thing.
That's like fish tofu again.
What is it? Fish everything?
And this is fish ball with shrimp. I told you. We
Not
love it.
actually like.
This is actually shrimp. This is yeah, bean curd.
Oh, bean curd.
Tofu in Chinese. And
This is
mushroom,
mushrooms.
white carrot, and beef.
Yeah.
This is a white carrot.
Yeah.
There's a white carrot.
Yeah, just
It's
found
kind
out.
of
It's a
we call
radish.
it radish,
Oh, right.
but it's not like the red radish that Americans have.
What is this?
Fish on, yeah. It's very good pronunciation.
Okay.
Wait, so do Philippines eat Chinese food too?
What's like similar, right? I don't know.
You don't know what it is and you're cooking it. I thought you said you don't know what it is.
I don't know what the base is, but
Okay,
it's
so what
something
okay, so
that.
that's the horseradish.
No.
No, not
Carrot.
horseradish.
I thought you said the carrot was the horseradish.
No.
Radish, just radish.
No radish.
The vegetables make the soup.
Is it gonna be your first time?
Yeah. So
I've never
I'm
seen.
excited.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat it, but
Why?
I would love.
Why are you not
to.
eating it? You want seafood?
No, I love seafood, but
But you don't like the fish balls?
Fish tofu, fish
I don't like trying new food.
Oh, well that's disappointing.
Yeah, I'm not very like
What if
adventurous.
even like one
Yeah, she will show.
I'll give you a piece.
You have a taste. You have to have a taste.
You like spicy stuff?
Yeah.
Then you like it.
This is tofu puff.
Yeah, but then why is it separated? Like, why do you have
Oh,
two
the
sides?
one is not spicy for Anna.
Oh, okay.
And for people who can't tolerate spicy.
No, because you can have two flavors. You can have non-spicy. You can have.
No.
Because if you go to Hotpot like in a restaurant, you have like you can do four. Like you can pick like 4 soups, like a mushroom soup, a tomato one. There's a lot of options, but those are more expensive. One base is like $30.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
I feel like I just got it.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for this. My favorite. This.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, this is.
Never knew.
I do. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi, I'm going to like, subscribe, comment. Whatever we do on YouTube. Share.
Share.
That's tofu.
Like it's firmer jelly. Yeah, what's the texture?
Oh, it's like firm jelly.
You can touch it.
It's not quite jelly. I don't know how to.
It's like soft. Thanks.
But if you cook it long enough,
Yeah.
kind of like with a little more.
Right.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm making it smaller.
Oh, obviously. So what is this? Tofu?
This is bean curd. Yeah.
Bean curd?
It's like made from this, like, you know how milk, when you put it, like, let it sit, there's like a layer on top?
Mm-hmm.
This is from soy milk.
Oh.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah.
For real?
I'm so confused.
Yeah, this is my favorite food
And
ever.
it's so thin.
No, it's really thin. This is like
for milk when
yeah.
you let it
I feel like
That's that?
So they're like, against drops.
Are you sure?
yeah.
That's for soy milk? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's there in the name. It's my favorite. Ball with shrimp.
Shrimp?
Fish ball with shrimp.
Hey, you like peanut butter?
It's like made from fish paste and then shrimp paste also.
And this is, I don't know how to explain that.
That's shrimp bowls.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like you
that's
guys,
really good, right?
you guys just add bowls to everything.
Yeah.
No, maybe it's touching this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the bitter melon. Yeah, bitter melon. What? I like that. Yeah.
Bitter melon?
Because it's healthy for you. It's just bitter. My brother doesn't like it. Just say what else? That's normal. Do you like?
So what do you guys do in your brother's Bible study when you get together? Do you like
Oh,
play
You
PS?
met oyster?
We play a PS.
Have you tried raw oyster before?
You play
Oh,
PS?
heck no.
No, we just
That is disgusting.
we order food. We eat and then we just discuss
Yeah,
something
we
about
don't
it.
have that. But the imitation, not the real one.
Anything interesting
Not the real one.
just share.
That's a thin slice, so I feel like that's the.
Wait, is that the meat? Is that the meat?
Yeah.
So is it ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
You can be the first one to taste this.
yeah, I want meat too.
No.
Thank you, Hannah.
No problem.
It's best. Wow. So what do you just do?
Let me just boil this.
Dip it in.
You want to try the non-spicy? We can just try it.
Oh yeah, of course.
Brother.
Oh, chili paste.
Brother. Okay, I think this is done. This is done.
Let's try Chinese food.
Well, put.
Okay, now the chef has said now.
Steam is going.
Well, it will be better if you put
You know why is it called fish ball, Anna?
What's
It's
that?
made of fish.
What's that one? Is that like
But
spicy?
it's just like in a ball form, that's why.
Is that spicy?
Yeah, like you mash it up and then you just.
Oh, that's all.
So is the thing like boiling the meat inside? Is that like the food?
The what?
Yeah,
Like
there is
the meat is the food.
What do you
Yeah.
mean? All this is the food.
this four things
What
together.
are you talking for?
No, like, cause you're like boiling the meat and then you're like.
You need to put all this in to make
I don't.
It's not tasty, please.
Wait, so what are you saying? Yeah. The spoon, we can just all share it.
No, it's not good to share. For this, because too sticky.
Oh.
So it's
Never
better
mind.
everyone have your own bowl. Then.
Well, I guess this is my bowl now. I'll try some of this. Oh. I'm only like
Not mine.
one.
Dude, I can't
that
tell. Is this cooked? Why is it? Why is it still pink?
Oh, we have another.
Maybe like put in it for 10 more seconds.
Sorry. 20 seconds or 30 maybe.
It's like people have been.
Your food.
Right. You. What's that? Okay, it's just yes. And now it's showing you. That's
It's like so.
You think it's ready?
10 seconds.
Weird?
20 seconds.
It's not weird.
So.
You should see your face.
Oh no! Wait, wait, down.
Oh, there.
Sorry.
I'm just mixing.
Michelle.
Hi, Michelle.
Save us.
So what's your struggle?
I don't. What's our struggle?
Just eat. Take it out. Put it in.
Are you salty?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is how to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the thin one, you kind of hold it, and then if it's a little pink, it's okay. It's like medium.
你还没有缠的快。
Anything.
Do you have a longer tongue?
Hi, Pamela. Pamela.
That's what Fefe calls me, Pamela.
Familiarity.
Like when she spells the
Yeah,
name.
yeah, yeah. It like autocorrects. I think.
Yeah.
Why is this not going?
Yeah, okay.
Help me.
Everyone.
Hey, that's the star of the show right there.
Are you serious? All the others.
No, but that's more filling.
What is this?
This is yours, and you can
Rice
put
noodle?
some base.
Yeah, yeah.
What
The noodle made from rice.
to melt it.
So basically rice.
Okay. If we need it. If we yeah, we need it.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, do you want the next? Hey, that's her. You need to learn all this. Yeah, you are.
Guys, do you want me?
Cheers, letting you think. Cheers.
Cheers. Just go to all the girls and they made you what I need.
Is this cooked?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants this?
I want this.
Okay, there you go. I'll just be cooking right now.
Well, I want spices.
Another one, another one.
Hey,
Ready? Is it ready?
okay, now I need help with this.
Why'd you laugh?
Please help him with this.
Someone not
This
me.
is
Krisha.
chaos.
How do I hold this?
Oh. Teacher Christian.
You can use something.
I can use
You can. Oh my gosh.
This is a spice.
I have no idea.
He's like, what?
Can someone put me a tofu?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
That's
this?
Nice
Just try to eat all the thing that's already cooked, and then
Tofu is
Hold on, I'm fetching you.
It's a.
tofu is already deep fried.
Oh.
So it's already cooked.
Usually you would add it with the.
Hold on. You want this?
Pamela, get a plate.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just want it there. That's okay.
Well, I'm going to
Why my soup looks like a paste?
vicariously
Because you put too
through
much
all
of
of
the
you. So when you eat, I'm going
Well, I
to
don't know, man.
How do I
Yes,
make the
yes.
soup?
Kelvin, what's your review?
Oh,
You can.
I like the spice thing. So it makes the meat like taste like. So I don't think I can eat it without the spice. That's what I think.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. That's
So
all
is
you
that
got.
like that
Deepas.
Ghana spice?
Yeah, so the spice makes it.
You can also have
makes it
some
something I
soup.
can eat. You know.
You can add this to it and then make it warm.
What is
How
that?
is it?
It's the tofu. thing.
What happened to it? Okay,
They got the ball.
How does it taste?
Like meat.
Cause it tastes like meat.
Of course.
Oh, what are you?
Okay, just like meat.
But then with the spices on the pepper, it tastes nicer.
Okay, yeah.
More spice.
Just like what we call suya.
Suya.
Now,
This is mushroom.
Was giving suya
Yeah.
vibe.
I'm allergic to mushroom.
Didn't I just ask what are you allergic
Take him all the spice. 'Cause that's what makes it.
to? Just give it to Anna.
What?
Mushroom.
Where's the mushroom?
And Deepas bowl.
You don't like mushroom?
I'm allergic.
Vivas.
Oh, you are?
How does it taste?
It tastes amazing.
Like what?
Hummus.
Like hummus? What's that?
Okay, who's next?
No, I think I have a lot of hummus here.
Where's
Okay, I don't know what hummus is.
What is this?
Why is your liquidy and mine is not?
Because I put a lot of oil. I put more oil.
Where is that oil?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I like that.
what's the name of this soup?
Huh?
What's the name of the soup?
Sorry.
What's
you
in
put
it?
this.
What's the name? Vegetable soup.
What's the name?
I said not vegetable soup. Kelvin, I don't understand vegetable soup.
But what's the name?
Oh my god.